Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a craft for the letter R. We're going to make a rabbit. First we're going to cut the letter R without a template. We're going to fold a piece of paper in half. Then we're going to make a little cut where we folded it. Then we're going to cut out 2 triangles from the bottom half. Then we'll fold the top half in half. And then we're going to cut the edge in a rounded shape. After that, we're going to cut the top part of the letter R. Just like this. After we're done cutting the letter R, we're going to cut out 2 ears. To make the ears the same size, I fold a piece of paper in half and then I cut out the ears. After that, I'm going to cut out the inside of the ears using a piece of pink paper. Same thing as before, but just smaller. Now I'm going to get the rest of our resources, which are some googly eyes and a little pink pom-pom. We can also use some cotton to make the rabbit nice and fluffy. Hello, my friend.
Hi.
Today we're going to make a craft for the letter R. Do you know any words that start with the letter R?
Yes, rhinoceros, rainbow, and rabbit.
Very good. Today we're going to make a rabbit. We're going to start by gluing the letter R onto a piece of paper. The letter R is going to be the body. Now we're going to add the
ears.
Very good. These are the ears. Then I'm going to add these little pink things. Do you know what these are?
Yes, the inside of the ears.
Very good. Next, we're going to add some cotton. We're going to put it inside the letter R cutout, just like this.
This feels nice. It's like a real rabbit.
Next, we're going to add this. Do you know what it is?
Yes, the nose.
Very good. What should we add next?
We'll add the eyes.
That's right. We need to put 2 eyes for our rabbit. After we add the eyes, we are all done. Now let's write the word rabbit. Do you know how to spell the word rabbit?
Yes, R-A-B-B-I-T.
Very good. That's how we spell the word rabbit. Next, we're going to practice writing the uppercase and lowercase r on the bottom of the page, just like this. I really enjoyed making this craft with you. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I really enjoy making these crafts. They help me learn letters.
I also enjoy making crafts with you. I hope you enjoy making this craft with your little ones. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you.
Please subscribe to Bunny Tales. Thank you. Bye.